There are several methods for promoting your YouTube channel. You can get more views without paying for advertisement via organic YouTube promotion. I believe that many people are unaware of organic promotions, so I will explain to you how you can use them to promote your channel or videos. Organic YouTube promotion is an optimization process that can help you grow your channel's audience without spending any money on advertising. If you are starting a YouTube channel and don't have enough money to pay for ads for your channel, you can use the organic promotion approach to get more views. This method is slow, but it will work if your channel has high quality content. There are some social media sites where you can share your videos and increase the views and subscribers organically. For the best organic promotion results, create an appealing thumbnail for the video and use it on Facebook pages, groups, and on your profile, along with the video's short link, and you'll see it spread organically. To do organic promotion, you'll need to develop excellent skills and put in some efforts and time. When you first launch your channel, it's not a good idea to pay for ads. Instead, you can devote some time to it, create high quality content on a regular basis to generate some traffic organically. Many people use social media sites like Facebook to keep up with the new content in their spare time. If you make some visually appealing video posts on Facebook, your channel's audience will grow. You can also use Twitter to promote your YouTube videos, since it is a common website that can drive more traffic to your videos. You must provide a link to your YouTube video as well as an appealing thumbnail. You can use Instagram TV to upload snippets of your videos and ask people to check your channel for the full version of your videos. YouTube search engine optimization will help you to get more views. However, you must have an adequate knowledge of SEO and how to implement SEO for your channel so that people searching for content on YouTube can find your video. When someone searches on YouTube for a keyword relevant to your videos, but you haven't used that keyword in the video, then most probably your videos will not appear in the search results. But before looking to optimize and rank your videos, your content should be interesting, engaging, and you should have high audience retention and high click-through rates as well. Use relevant keywords in the video tags section so that people could use to find it. Also include a main keyword in the title and description. You can use TubeBuddy and vidIQ for this purpose. You must create appealing thumbnails and titles for your videos to entice viewers to click on them. Using an appealing title and thumbnail would capture people's interest to watch your video while they are browsing YouTube. It is not difficult to use the organic YouTube promotion techniques to grow your channel, but it takes time. You must also have exceptional skills in order to produce high-quality content for your channel. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.